Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to add people on Snapchat application. Let's begin. First of all, just open the Snapchat application in your mobile. The first way is clicking on add friend and then type in their username into the text field and you can simply tap on this add button here. The second way you can add people is by a snap code. If you have saved somebody's snap code, you can add them by going to the add friends screen again. You can add them by going to the add friends screen again, but this time tapping on this ghost button to the right of the text field. Tap on it. This will open up your gallery and all you have to do is tap the image of the snap code and it will add that Snapchat user. The third way is by utilizing the quick add feature on the add friends screen at the bottom. You can see a quick add list of people who you can instantly add as a friend. This kind of works like mutual friends on Facebook. There are people who are friends with some of your friends, so there is a good chance you know a few of these people. The final way is to add a pupil on Snapchat is via a web link. If you type snapchat.com/rflash and followed by a username, it will open up Snapchat automatically and add them as a friend. As you can see this, if you are sharing your username online, it's good to share it in a link like this because it makes adding you a lot easier than typing in a username or even scanning a snap code. All they have to do is click the link and it will automatically add you. So these are some ways you can add people on Snapchat application. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.